This is a tutorial on searchable fields in Medline. To understand searchable fields and their function, we must first understand what a bibliographic record is and its function. A bibliographic record is a surrogate of an information item, such as a book. It comprises fields that describe general features of the item. You are already familiar with several of these fields. Author, title, publisher, for example, are some of the features we use to describe books. These features are like tags that help us spot books in a library catalog that would be of interest. Now imagine that Medline is itself a catalog, not of books, but of articles. So it would be helpful to have fields that act like tags so that we can find articles of relevance. Not surprisingly, we are provided with several fields to more accurately target articles of relevance in Medline. A typical Medline record of an article has a large number of fields. Of them, several, but not all, are visible to you. This tutorial will demonstrate how to search with fields using Medline via EBSCOhost. Keep in mind that searching with fields can be done in all databases you work with. Let's link out to Medline. To search with fields, we need to find and select our fields. The easiest way to do this is open the drop-down list next to the search box. In the drop-down list, you are presented with a number of fields to select from. To select a field, simply hover your mouse over the field you want and left-click. Keep in mind that some of the fields require a controlled vocabulary. For example, exact major subject heading, exact subject heading. Other fields, such as publication type, require index terms. If you are unfamiliar with indexes, please view the tutorial on indexes provided in the collection of video tutorials. Let's attempt a search using a field to demonstrate how fields work. So open the drop-down list, and I'm going to select MH, exact subject heading. I type cancer in the search box. What I'm doing here is telling the machine to search for the term cancer in the field called exact subject heading. Before I run the search, I can tell you that this search will produce no results. This is because I have not used a controlled vocabulary term to search within this field. Let's run the search to confirm. And we see that we have no results. The concept of cancer is represented by the term neoplasms, not the word cancer. Therefore, we have to use the controlled vocabulary term neoplasms to retrieve records. In Medline, MESH is a very important controlled vocabulary to find records. To learn how to use MESH to find records, please view our tutorial on MESH in our video tutorial collection. The field word in subject heading requires that the word you type in the search box matches at least one or more words in the MESH headings. So, if we type cancer in this field and run a search, we do retrieve records. Notice we have over 14,000 results. This is because the word cancer belongs to one or more MESH terms, for example, cancer vaccines. This was a basic overview of how to search with fields. Keep in mind that not all searchable fields are available to you in the drop-down list. There are several other fields you can readily access using a database's indexes. To learn how to use these indexes, please view our tutorial on indexes in Medline and in IPA. This concludes our tutorial on searchable fields in Medline.